Meaning of fiesta.
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 Fiesta. Fiesta is a Spanish term that refers to a festive celebration or party commonly accompanied by dancing, music, and food. It often involves community-wide events such as parades, carnivals, and religious processions, and is typically held in honor of a particular saint or tradition. The atmosphere of a fiesta is lively and joyous, with people from all walks of life coming together to participate and enjoy the festivities. Overall, a fiesta is a culturally rich event that promotes unity and a sense of community among its participants.